Hi everyone, every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to get this fixed. If your Subaru suddenly shows error 55 or ERSS on the dashboard, don't panic. What the car is really saying is, hey, one of my wheel speed sensors isn't sending me the correct information. It sounds technical, but basically it means the ABS, traction control, and cruise control may be disabled for safety until the issue is fixed. Many mechanics explain that this error isn't always serious. Sometimes it appears after driving in rain, mud, or snow, or after brake work or bearing replacements. What usually happens is the sensor may be dirty, wet, or slightly misaligned, and the car's computer shuts down certain functions to avoid risking safety. One of the simplest and most effective solutions reported by mechanics and users is cleaning the sensor and the nearby tone ring, magnetic ring. Often just removing dirt, mud, or salt makes the error disappear and restores everything to normal. It's also a good idea to check the wires and connectors, as corrosion or a loose wire is a very common cause of this code. If cleaning and checking the wires doesn't work, the next step is to reset the system or scan it with an advanced OBD2 reader. This helps identify exactly which sensor is failing and rule out false positives. In some cases, a damaged sensor needs to be replaced, and after that, the code disappears. Forums are full of examples where simply replacing a wheel speed sensor fixed the problem entirely. Another detail mechanics mention is that minor impacts to the grille or recent brake jock bearing work can misalign the sensors and trigger the error. Checking the position of the sensors and their mounts is often enough to stop the car from showing error 55. Finally, even if your Subaru still drives normally, remember that with ABS and traction control disabled, your car loses important safety functions. That's why, even if it feels fine, it's recommended to fix the problem as soon as possible, whether by cleaning, adjusting, replacing sensors, or consulting a specialized shop.